Welcome so much, Brian, to Icon Radio.
Thank you.
So congratulations on your win.
Asante
Maybe you can
sana.
introduce you and your company and tell us why you won the award.
Okay, yes, thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Brian Nyakeri, a director at Fusion Experience Kenya Limited. We are a company that's still in the infancy stage, but we are about 6 years old. For us today, we are very privileged because we won the Clean Cooking Award for 2024, Clean Cooking. And I think if you talk about clean cooking, it's all about impact, it's all about changing lives and transformation. For us, we provide solutions for people who are living in the low income households, people who are really disenfranchised in terms of having an opportunity to get clean cooking solutions. In Kenya today, I think about 75% of people are cooking with biomass fuels, which are very unhealthy. And it's also clean cooking solutions are unaffordable. So for us as Fusion, we came up with a very innovative 0.5 kg cylinder that allows us to provide clean cooking solutions for the people living below the poverty line.
Wait, that's a 5 kg.
0.5,
Oh,
half
0.5.
a kilogram. Yes.
How much does it retail for in the market?
So it retails for the actual kit on purchase. The first time you purchase, it comes with a LPG cylinder and a one burner.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, that retails for about 27.50. But refilling consequently after that is 100 shillings. The 100 shillings lasts for 3 days. If you're cooking for a family of 4 to 5, twice a day.
Oh, wow.
So if you think about it today, a family in Kibera or in Kangware spends 100 shillings on charcoal in the morning, 100 shillings of charcoal in the evening, and even during rainy seasons like now, up to 150. So every 3 days, you find families are spending about 700 shillings. So for us as Fusion Experience, we are changing the lives of those people because we are allowing them to spend a cooking energy for 100 shillings vis-a-vis the 700 shillings.
Wow.
So a 600 shilling savings, in a month we are saving people about 5 to 6,000. If you go to the bottom of the pyramid, you'll really understand what 5,000 shillings can do. It allows them to get sanitary pads for their children, food, medicine, contributions to so many other things that they do. So it's about transformation.
So this is a stamp of, what do you call it? Like you guys are really in it to win it.
We were in it to win it,
Yeah.
but basically I think it's not about Fusion. It's about the entire industry.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of innovation that's gone into the industry. There's a lot of support that we've got. And basically we've come together as partners to be able to really transform the lives of people. So for us, it's a Fusion Experience Award, but I think it's also for the entire industry because we work together, we collaborate a lot, and there's a lot to go around for the whole entire industry. So for us, we are happy to see clean cooking being really regarded as a life-changing kind of initiative.
All right. Thank you so much for for the opportunity to even attend this event.
No,
And
Asante.
I feel like clean cooking is now the new bit to take up. Like everyone is talking about clean cooking, clean energy.
Of
I mean,
course.
is it a wave? Do you feel like 5 years, 10 years from now the wave is gonna die?
No, it's not going to die. It's not going to change. In fact, this
Yeah.
is just the beginning because if you think about it today, I don't think there's anyone who doesn't cook.
Yeah.
So basically what we are saying is we will cook now, we will cook tomorrow, and we will forever cook.
Yeah.
So the only way we can do it is to do it right. And the only way to do it right is to use the clean cooking energies that can allow us to be able to enjoy the food, to be enjoy our health, and also save our ecosystem and our environment. So basically giving solutions that allow us not to degenerate and basically mess up the environment that we live in today. And not only for us, but for the future generations.
Absolutely.
So it's not about a cliche thing. It is something that's there and to stay.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Fusion experience.
Yes, please.
I love that. Is it you just needed people to experience clean cooking?
No, yeah. I mean, when we came up with the name Fusion Experience, we are not only in LPG, we're also
Yeah.
doing electric cooking pans, we are doing solar, we're also doing green charcoal. And basically, it's about just providing a different kind of experience. So bringing together different aspects
Yeah.
and merging it
fuse
into
it.
one and fusing it.
Yeah.
So that's how we came up with Fusion Experience.
What is the biggest challenge in the market?
Whoa. That's a very good question. I mean, I think we've made a lot of strides in the industry currently. But if you look at LPG, the market really that we really are dominant in, there's a lot of issues around regulation in terms of enforcement, because there's a lot of people who are illegally refilling cylinders and also denying us the opportunity to make a return on investment. So I think EPRA today, the regulatory agency, is putting in place some very strict kind of laws today that will allow us to be able to now transition from the situation we are in today. So just like any other business, the challenges are there, but how we deal with those challenges is how we actually excel. And I think we have a great institution in EPRA. I mean, His Excellency the President, you've seen, he's a very big supporter of LPG. So with these kind of things around us, I think now we are really elevating the whole industry and ourselves beyond what we have today.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We look forward to having more conversations on this, because iPhone Radio, our show is mainly on education, awareness,
Yes.
sensitization
Yes.
into the communities.
Thanks.
So we hope that this conversation can stream and go further, where we sensitize the community on the importance of, clean energy.
Yes.
And congratulations on your win, man.
No, thank you very much. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you to yourself. And
Yeah.
we really appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah.
We are open to have conversations because
Yeah.
we are also about empowering people.
Yeah.
And I think you're a very good platform to be able to really reach out to the masses.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.